Hi guys, it's Angie with the Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today to do a little haul. I was contacted by BeeBeeCrafts a couple months ago, and they asked me if I would do a haul, a small review on their products, and a couple videos. And I've known about BeeBeeCrafts for several years now. I've never ordered anything from them, but there's lots and lots of videos out there, so I kind of watched a few, and they seem to have great products. There's a lot of people that are very happy with them. It did take a little bit of time to get here. I mean, not like overly, about 3 weeks, and it says about 3 to 15 days, and it took about maybe 3 to 4 weeks to get here in the mail. But nothing wrong with that, especially with everything that's going on with the times. Mail is a little bit different right now. Other than that, it was packed very well. I unpacked everything so I could do this video and get right to it. But everything was packed very, very well, and so everything came really secure. And yeah, so what I ordered was 4 different products, some beads and some jump rings and some charms. So I kind of had to write a few notes here. So these are electroplate glass bead strands, and they're kind of smaller than I thought. I'm not sorry guys for the crinkle. I'm not an expert at beading. So I didn't read the fine print of what the millimeter was on these, but I still love them. I think they're very, very pretty. They're smaller than I wanted them to be, but they are still gorgeous. Like, I love all the colors, and there's some that are opaque and transparent. I love that. There's the color of the rainbow. As you all know, I'm very into playing in different colors now. I still love my neutrals. I still always do my neutrals, but it's been really fun just experimenting and playing around with color, and I thought these would be fun to make dangles, or maybe on the tabs of the journals, or one of my little house charms. So I thought that would be fun to use with these. So there's that. And then the next one are the charms. These ones I was really excited about, you guys. And everything what I see on their website always comes in like little boxes. And I don't know if you're like me, I love everything that has like a little storage container, and it's actually reusable. So a lot of the things I do see at BeeBeeCrafts, they all come in these really nice storage containers. So these are 200 pieces, and they're 2 different colors, so it's kind of like a bronze and a silver. And I thought for sure I could use this. I could use alcohol inks on the silver ones and just kind of give them a different look, so the silver didn't bother me too much. So here are I love numbers, you guys, right? There's the amazing 5, and there's 200 pieces in here, so I think there's 100 of silver and 100 of the antique gold. So there it is, you guys. So there is the silver ones. And I love to do dangles and charms. I thought I could do these as dangles on tabs for the signatures, or even somebody's favorite number, or charms on the side, spine charm or something like that. So just move that over here. We'll pick out a kind of a antique gold. And every set of 10 are packaged in its own little package, which is amazing. So you're not like searching around for double digits or certain numbers. You can just open another package and grab what you need. I love these, obviously. This is my color right here. But nothing, like I said, that I can't color on the silver ones, so that just gives you more versatility. So there's those. And these, I forgot to mention, the beads were $13.39, and these are $10.19. And like I said, you get a pack of 200 in an awesome little container. Now these are Indian agate round. They come on a strand, and these were $5.39. And again, like I said, I'm not a bead person, but I mean like a jeweler. So these were, I thought, were a little bit bigger too, but that's again, they're perfect size. I can definitely work with them. And I just love the colors. They're more neutrals. I was trying to figure out stuff that would work with my journals that I've been doing lately. or just like little projects. I think I might do some, I don't know, something maybe Christmassy or something with a few of these beads, because I have to do like 2 tutorials or 2 project shares, one of the 2 with their product. So here are the agate beads. Really pretty color, nice variety. I love the contrasted colors and the brighter colors. Sorry about that, you guys. And then last but not least, this was the jump ring box, and this was $5.99, you guys. Are you kidding me? What an amazing deal. I mean, it's from itty bitty to pretty large size right here. And look at this container. I loved containers, you guys. Look at that. So they come in 12 different sizes. And this was only $5.39. Whoops. I'll get those in a minute. I just wanted to open, I'll just open one side. So you can see the variety of them, and they're all in their own little separate containers. The containers are very well made. I just love that. So there's that side. I'll try to be very careful and open the other side. Okay. So there's that side. I just love that. I use a ton of jump rings, and this is like the maybe the bronze gold or antique gold. But look at that, you guys. Isn't that amazing? I love it. I just love the little tiny container. I think it's fun to use. I'll put those back. But anyway, so that is my little haul from BeeBeeCraft. Thank you, BeeBee, for reaching out to me and asking me to review your products. I will have a couple videos, 2 videos up with some little things to do with the products that I chose. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.